Oh. Okay. What are you doing? Oh, you're going to take Mom's seat? Is that where Mom was sitting? That's Miles. Can you talk for Gaga? You got hiccups? Are you trying to say Gaga? Gaga. It's hard when you got hiccups, isn't it? Can you scare Mama? Oh! You're so scary. What are you doing? Get off me. Miles, we're taking a video for Gaga. And Aunt Tracy. Can you say hi to Aunt Tracy?
Hi, Kissy.
Hi, Tracy. Say hi, Aunt Hen. Can you say hi, Hen?
Hi, Hen.
Good. Can you say hi, Sean?
Hi, Sean.
Good job. And say hi, Gaga.
Hi, guys.
How about you get out of the silverware drawer?
Big spoon.
Big spoon?
Yeah.
That is a big spoon.
Big spoon.
What are you doing? That's a big spoon. What else do you want to say to Gaga and Aunt Hen and Aunt Tracy and Uncle Sean? What do you want to say? Can you tell them that you read books?
Yeah, books.
Books?
Yeah.
What kind of books? Do you read Brown Bear, Brown Bear? What about Clifford?
Clifford.
Yeah, Clifford. What about Elmo?
Elmo.
And the Bubbles book? No, you can't have the camera. I'm recording. Honey, no. Oh! Can you scare the camera?
Boom.
Oh!
Boom.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh!